Good morning, respected Baba sir, beloved Hasina ma'am, and all my teachers and my dear friends. And as Baba sir said, we have discussion on the topic exams, how to prepare and what are the tips for exams. And this is team A and this is team B. So let's begin with team A.
Introduce the captains and all that. You're doing a role.
The captain of team A is Komal, and we have Kaushik, Jashwant, Achyut, Srija, Ayan and Komal. And team B, the captain is Dibam, and we have Sadia, Danvita, Yusuf, Abdul and Dibam. So let's start with team A.
So as you all know that our exams are coming soon. So what are you are preparing for your exams? How you are managing it?
We have started our early preparation for our exam.
Stay closer.
And it's better to start before because we need more time to prepare, and also if we start late, we'll feel exhausted and we'll be lacking in our preparation. So starting preparation for exams before a week or before 4 to 5 days is the best thing which you can prepare for your exam in a smooth way. Yes, I agree with you. Can you please tell me the definition of exam? Exam is a thing which conducted to know the perfect capability of a person. How does he perform? How he studies? Yes, I agree with you. Exams are the part of a schooling where the students show their knowledge, what have they learned in a certain period of time. So we all are preparing for the exam. So can you give some tips to perform better in the exams? Yes, we should avoid mobile phones. And we should manage the time to prepare for exams. And coming to school like this all, we should manage time. According to me, if you prepare for exam before 1 or 2 days, nothing will happen. But the whole year you have to study for it. Yes, you are right. Actually, exams are not for preparing before 1 or 2 days. It should be revised just after the concept is done.
Yes, we want to revise the concept for writing in exam. Exam is very important. So please justify this statement.
Yes, exam is important as every student in the school have to give them a presentation about all the topics in an easy way. So they prepare for exams to revise all the topics for the upcoming future. So that's why exam is important in every child's school.
Yes. What all the student learn, you want to show them in exams. So give some tips to manage our time of preparing for exams.
So some tips for exams which will be the early studying and revising of the topics what I have learned, and give your own test like prepare a question paper on your own and avoid the distractions whatever you are feeling that you are getting distracted towards. And also manage the past exams, what have you done, revise those papers too.
Yes. Now, tomorrow onwards.
Yes. What you have said is right. We must avoid distractions and we must prepare early. And you have said that it's not about preparation, it's about revision. That's correct because the preparation, which means we are newly starting something, and to do something we are preparing for it. Revision is something which we all learning. Before only we are learning everything the whole year. Revising is just turning over the paper, just seeing it once again to recall everything. It's not about preparation, but it's about revision of the syllabus that we have for exams. And learn, we should be briefly dwell into the subject, and we should get the answers, not about by hearting the answers.
You said correct. If we by heart, 2 days we will remind, and after that we will forget. So don't by heart and prepare well for exams.
So what do you prefer? Writing your own answer in the exam by learning the topic, or writing the teacher's answer? The combination of both. We should just briefly understand what the teacher has given and make ourselves understand the topic, and after understanding we can add our own points to it.
From tomorrow onwards, we are going to write our essay to exam. So please give tips to our juniors for writing the exams.
The tips for juniors, like you can prepare your exams from 1 week. Like prepare, like, see, the next day is the exam. Today is 10. So don't prepare today all the topics and just get worried that I can get this, I can get that. Don't do that. You have to prepare from before only. Like, if the schedule is already done by the teachers, they already planned it, and they even given you the syllabus of every subject. So prepare likewise. Don't prepare the next day getting hurried and getting so worried about it. Okay. So just prepare like in a flow. The most important thing is you have to manage your time with the schedule of your daily routine. You have to add up few things to manage your exams and visualize the time.
And also, you all know, tomorrow we are having exam, then after we are having Sankranti holidays, right? So many of them think like, yeah, there are 6 days of holidays, and you may think, let's play for 4 days, then after let's prepare those last 2 days. But it's not the right way. What you have to do is, and first, what we plan is, yeah, let's study every day 3 hours. But it will not happen most of the times. So you have to make a perfect timetable, and you have to set your mind that first day you have to study for 6 hours, next 4 hours, next 3 hours. Then after, when you get the total subject, when you are covered with all the topics that I have taught, then you can enjoy your time. First, spend your most of the time in studying. Then after, you spend your time for entertainment, because we think everything we think like, yes, I will study, but it doesn't happen all the time. So first, you spend your most of the time for only studying, first 2 or 3 days. Then if you cover all the subjects, then you spend your time for entertainment, and make a perfect schedule that you must cover all the subjects and all the topics that I have taught in this holidays, and prepare well for the exams, and all the best for everyone. I request everyone to perform well and prepare well for your exams. Revise all the content in advance. Okay, now let's go with the conclusion of this topic.
So the conclusion is, everyone, I wish you all the best for the exams, and prepare well for the exams. Do not get hurry for it, and just visualize the time what you have. Make a target that before I should complete this topic, and then I will play. And yes, prepare for exams. Thank you. She is right. You should first visualize your topic and prepare for it. I will say one sentence. You have to repeat after me. We the students of Cornerstone are never afraid of exams. Thank you. All the best to you.
On behalf of our team, we are all wishing you all the best.
So from tomorrow we are going to have exam. So I wish everyone to get good score, and very all the best.
Good morning to all. I wish you all the best for your SAT exams. Get good marks in exams. Thank you.
Everyone, all the best for your exams, and perform well in your exams. Thank you.
Yeah, everyone, prepare well for your exams, and all the best to you all.
morning to my brothers and sisters.
Brothers and sisters.
Okay. I wish you all the best for your SA2 exams. Good morning to everyone. All the best for SA2 exams.
Prepare all of you well and all the best for exams.
All the best for your exams and prepare well. And now you all understood how to prepare and what are the tips and how much time you should spend for exam, for revision, and how much time you should spend for entertainment. So this is, and I request our Baba sir to come on to the test.
Sankranti celebration. Secondly, what you will be having? Revision time. Third, exam. Fourth, parent after lunch, post lunch, parent teacher interaction 4 will commence. Your parents, you all invite your parents. It is scheduled from 1 p.m. 1:30 to 4:30. It is scheduled from 1:30 to 4:30. Invite all your parents. Right? 4:30 tomorrow. Right when the clock strikes 3:30 p.m. Your holiday time starts.